Hi Debbie, I'm here to show you what might be going wrong with the link to the College Now student orientation. So I'm at the login page that students will have to log into, and what I'm doing is I've copied the URL, and so usually what's happened, let me cancel out of this screen so you can see where to go from the beginning of your the steps we're going to go through. So you're just logged into D2L and you're entering into one of your course shells, and so you know you're going to put this orientation in all of the course shells you have for all of the courses you're teaching. So I'm in my course shell, and I'm going to go to content, which is where you probably put the orientation, and we've added it to the bottom already. It's already the page of the table of contents that I'm on. So what has happened is the link that was in the text that you copy and pasted in probably wasn't an active link, so you just have to edit the HTML. And the way to do that is to highlight the website address that's in the text, and then click the little chain link here. I'm going to paste in that web address that I just opened. I think you have to put something in the title, but this is the link that will be embedded in the text we've highlighted. It's not letting me, oh good, there's my update. I couldn't find my update button, and then it should work. I've updated that, and I'm going to update here. So let me close this to make sure that when I click, so here's what I do sometimes. I view my course as a student so I can make sure everything will work for them the way I need it to prior to going to class. And so now I'm going to go to the College Now orientation. If students need to, they can click on the table of contents and then click on the item you've added with the link. They read through the instructions and then they click here. Cool, it's working just fine, and then they put in their name, their last name, any email address, password confirmation, agree, register, and then the orientation will start. And then once they're inside, they need to click on High School College Now orientation. There are 4 options, but that's in the student instructions I provided you about a week and a half ago as well. The thing I was going to say to you was, you might recall that when we so let's go back and do that edit again. If I'm a student, I can't do an edit like a teacher can. So remember when we were in the editing the HTML of that item, that when we clicked on the link and we told it we wanted to insert a URL, we highlighted that over the website address, that we did open it in a new window. If you do it inside the whole window or the same frame, it will probably open and take them out of D2L. And so I always like for students to open into a new window so that their D2L shell is still open, and then the orientation opens in a separate tab like that. I just wanted to remind you about that step. So new window is what I always choose. All right, and so I'm just going to update again. I didn't really make any changes. I hope that solves the problem. I think that's what's been happening for some instructors, that the link didn't have a hyperlink embedded, and so you just have to go back and add that. If you have further problems, let me know, and I hope you're having a great Wednesday. Take care.